pretty much what was going on in my life at that time was I was back in my house. I had a lot of different apartments in Westchester where I grew up, and I couldn't, manage to pay rent because I was doing so many drugs and drinking so much. And after a lot of different external consequences kind of causing me to realize I had a drinking problem, my dad had reached out to me and asked me if I wanted to go to rehab. At that point, I said, yeah, why not? I need to find a place to stay because I wasn't going to have much more time at the house I was staying at. I don't want to be out in the streets in the middle of winter up there in Pennsylvania. So I went to a rehab up there, and the counselor had recommended a few places down here. I chose Healing Properties because of the name, because of the pictures I saw on the website. It looked really nice with the palm trees and everything. I'd never been to Florida before. I knew nothing about this place. But when I got down here, got off the plane, and John picked me up, the property manager. He was very nice and courteous at the airport and everything. He kind of showed me around the area a little bit. I got back, started packing my bags, and then before I knew what happened, I had like 5 guys jump on top of me and put me in the car, and they drove up and down the avenue. Went to a meeting. They kind of showed me some people who were in the program down here doing the right thing. And since then, it's kind of been, when I was at the halfway house, there's a lot of really good structure there where I was able to do what I need to do, and to learn how to live a better life and how to live properly. I was introduced to a lot of people who were doing the right thing, and I learned a lot from them. Everyone who I met there was really courteous, and there was never any kind of issue with the halfway house as far as my property or any kind of personal arguments or fights would go. I met a lot of really good friends there. I still hang out with a lot of those guys that I met from the halfway house. I started off working on the avenue cooking, and then after a period of time I decided I was done with that and I wanted to go work in the field, so I do admissions for treatment now and help other people get into rehab with the same experience that I had. So I would absolutely recommend going to that place to anybody. It's one of the better halfway houses in the area from all the things that I've heard from other people. And when I visit other places, they weren't nearly as clean or as well organized or well run as Healing Properties was for me. I was there for about 15 months. I was there for a while. It was really comfortable though. I didn't want to leave. I really enjoyed it there. I had really good roommates. The apartment was nice and clean. I had a lot of freedom to do what I needed to do. I'm going to be having 2 years, October 15th.